Water is our most precious resource. But it can also be a dangerous opponent. Our future depends on our understanding and proper sustainable use of water. For more than 40 years at DHI, we've encapsulated science and research in our modelling tools, and this has enabled us to provide cutting-edge technology to professional modelers around the world. Mike by DHI is a well-proven series of comprehensive water modelling software products, backed by the world's leading water and environmental experts, and developed to provide safe and sustainable solutions. The software products are designed to provide predictions and analysis that are essential for making the right decisions for a wide range of water-related scenarios. And their strong integration capabilities enable you to create solutions tailored to your specific modelling needs. Working and planning in often highly dynamic marine environments presents challenges to any organisation. Providing reliable and sustainable solutions requires the most advanced and proven methods. As a planner or engineer, you have to provide answers to a wide range of questions, like what will the wave impacts on offshore structures be? What's the likelihood of encountering strong currents? How will the coastline change over 10 years? What will the impacts from the reclamation I'm working on be? What's the optimal location of wind farms and other renewable energy systems? And what will the impacts from regulations on ecosystems be? You can simulate virtually any relevant physical, chemical or ecological process with Mike software products. Developed to worldwide de facto industry standards, they enable you to efficiently quantify all aspects of the marine environment. And they're already widely used by the world's leading consultants in their coastal and marine modelling projects. DHI is committed to providing the products, training and support that ensures the sustainability of your investment. With our global training and support teams located in more than 30 countries, we're ready to help you gain the maximum benefit from your Mike by DHI software products now and in the future.